What is going on, guys? Video here, and today I have for you a new video. I have decided on a schedule, so I'm going to be trying to upload every Friday. Hopefully it works out. I do have a few videos planned, so hopefully I can actually keep track of that and actually do at least one video a week, because I think that is what I can manage right now. Anyways, today we are rearranging my room, like cleaning and rearranging it, because I get bored. Also, I'm sorry if you can see my butt crack. Like, these pants are just too big on me right now. But anyways, I get bored. I get very, very bored. And so I rearrange my room probably once a month. Like, it's ridiculous. But I mean, there's only so many ways I have it, so sometimes I do repeat how it is. But this is just how it is. Usually I start with my dresser. And I did actually organize all of my drawers and everything, like I cleaned out everything this time. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling on, and hopefully you guys will enjoy this. Before I go, please hit that like button because it really helps the channel, and hit that subscribe button because you know what? I make content. That's up to you to determine if it's good or not, but I make content. But yes, hopefully you guys enjoy and keep on watching. put this little tidbit in here because it is the next day. I pretty much finished everything and I just needed to do some minor cleaning and laundry. So at the moment my bed's not made because the laundry wasn't done, but I am going to pretty much just show you the overall result of me rearranging and cleaning my room. So hopefully you enjoy. Ooh, okay, so here is the final result of my room. There are snacks everywhere, but that's just because me and my boyfriend snack a lot, which I really shouldn't with this whole weight loss journey I'm doing, but you know, it happens. So far this is kind of the room that I like the best, like the way. I have had it like this before, but I just always come back to it being like this. There's me, and don't mind this stack of dishes that was right here. I need to do those. But also, I am going to have a video coming out of me reorganizing my closet again, because it's just kind of bad. I mean, look at it. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!